Welcome back. I'm meteorologist Jake DeRisi with your weather headlines. We have impactful winter weather moving into our neighborhoods today, affecting tonight's or this evening's commute as well as Thursday morning's commute, with more snow heading our way for the weekend as well. Looking at our current winter weather alerts right now, we do have a winter weather advisory that is going to be going into effect for all of our neighborhoods later this afternoon, starting at 1 p.m., lasting through 7 a.m. Thursday. As again, we're watching as a pretty prominent wave is going to be driving snow showers into our neighborhoods, bringing us some pretty heavy accumulations. We'll get to that in a second. But again, that's what we're watching today. High temps are going to be very similar to where they were yesterday in the mid-20s, 25 degrees, with winds elevated a bit from the northeast. Sustained at 12 miles per hour, we could be seeing gusts up to 25 miles per hour, so reduced visibilities are definitely an impact when it comes to talking about the snow later this afternoon. Tonight, we're still tracking snow in the overnight hours. Overnight lows at about 20 degrees. Winds still from the north, a bit elevated there, sustained at 10 miles per hour. We can get a good look here of the evolution of this system with heavier snow moving through later this afternoon, but exiting by the time we get to Thursday evening. And then we'll be also expecting a dry Friday, which is also Valentine's Day. But let's break this down a little bit more locally. We have some flurries already moving through this morning. The morning commute this morning should be just fine, as well as heading into the late morning hours. It's really this afternoon when we're watching things move in. We also have that slight chance for some mixed precipitation, some ice for areas south of I-94 that could cause some travel hazards as well. But again, once we get to about 5 p.m., we're dealing with widespread heavy snow moving through our neighborhoods. That's what's going to drive the heavier accumulations. That's going to last throughout the entire evening. We're looking at 9 p.m. right now too. Once we get to past midnight, we're going to start to see those scattered showers start to move off further off to the east. We're going to start drying out there at 2 a.m. with on the back end of this system some more flurries right off the lake there, expected by tomorrow at noon, just to end that system off. Left with cloudy skies for the rest of the day. Here's what we're looking at for snowfall potential. We're looking at areas to the north. This includes Clinton, Eaton, Ingham, and the northern parts of Jackson County. There 4 to 7 inches possible. If we are on the higher end of that system, this could definitely be for some of our neighborhoods the most snow we've seen in a single system for this season's winter. Areas of Hillsdale County and southern portions of Jackson looking at 2 to 5 inches with a possible glaze there of ice that I was talking about earlier. But heading into the weekend, we have more snow that we're watching for. A double system here moving in at 10 p.m. Friday, staying there into the overnight hours Friday into Saturday, with more snow entering starting Saturday late afternoon into the evening hours and lasting through Sunday morning, bringing accumulations as well. That chance for snow is going to be renewed even as we head into Monday of next week. Looking at the 6-day temperature outlook, we're going to be switching from snow later on next week into really cold temperatures. Look at this, the southern half of the state of Michigan, and that really dark blue favoring colder than average temperatures for this time of year from February 17th through February 21st. Looking at our super 7-day forecast, mid-20s is our high through Thursday as we're tracking that snow. Valentine's Day, we have a dry break, cloudy skies, 20 degrees as a high. Chances for snow Saturday through Monday. High temps on Saturday right back to where they should be at freezing, 32 degrees. But look at that next week, 10 degrees as a high on Monday with overnight lows possibly below 0 degrees for air temperature overnight Monday into Tuesday, with Tuesday drying up, high temps still pretty chilly.